ਫੇਰ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਪੂਰਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਆ। ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਾਰਕ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਹੈ। ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਪਾਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੰਦੇ ਹੀ ਪਾਰਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਪਾਰਕ ਆ, ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਲਿਆਓ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਾਰਕ ਕਰੋ, ਉੱਪਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਨਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਵੇਖੋ। ਆ ਵੇਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੂਵ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈ। ਟਾਈਟੈਨਿਕ ਬਾਈ ਜੀ, ਟਾਈਟੈਨਿਕ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਨਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਆ ਹੈ। ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਦੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਤੋਂ ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ ਆਏ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਇਸੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ, ਕਮਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਈ।
All right, so we're here, MALAHAT SKYWAK. This is basically it's a spiral where you start from the bottom and walk up. And when we were coming here, we were looking where the hell was a skywalk to begin with. So now we're on this trail. We're gonna keep walking, and we're gonna hope that the tower is ahead, because if it's not, we are not gonna be happy campers, because we took an hour from the ferry to get down here. So let's see what's up ahead. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Good.
I'm just gonna scan your passes here.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you mind just tapping the next one?
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
enjoy your walk.
Thank
See
you.
guys.
So what's up ahead over here?
What's up?
Yeah, like what's up there?
It's 600 meters to the elevated walkway.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you walk out the 600 meters here, you get to the tower. You're already on the second level of the tower.
Okay. How long does it get up to the tower? Like,
How long to get up there?
Yeah.
Like in distance or how in time?
yeah, in time.
It's approximately 2.2 kilometers round trip. So we
Okay.
say about 90 minutes total. But to get out to the tower, probably like 5-10 minutes.
Okay, 90 minutes to get up and come down.
For the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay, for the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See ya.
So the tour guide said it would be around 600 meters to walk down this way, and then we'd reach the skywalk, and then we'll basically be walking up the skywalk. Probably break a nice sweat, and then head on down to downtown Victoria, show you what's around the city and the island. Wood is a natural surface. No shit. MALAHAT SKYWALK. Well, here it is. Looks kind of smaller than I imagined. But let's go up. Well, this is definitely going to be a workout today. Check the view out from right here. You can never go wrong with the mountains. They have this small spiral in the center that you can apparently walk up, go to the top, and stand on top of that cage. This has been newly built. This is fresh wood. I know the lady was saying this was going to take 90 minutes. This might just take 20, like we're almost halfway there. Oh, check this out. There's a tunnel there that people are waiting in line to get into, and they slide down that tunnel to the very bottom instead of walking. Might have to try that out. I've got a backpack with a camera. Hopefully I don't break it. So many people waiting in line. Wow, check it out. Let's go around to the other side and see what the view's like from there. So check this out. If you can see that, it says 18,000 years ago, this is what it looked like. It was all ice. And now it looks like this. Blue water. You could probably jump in for a swim.
But I didn't know that was.
Hopefully you don't get eaten by sharks. A lot has changed in the past couple of centuries. You know, things that once had absolutely no forests, trees, wildlife at all. It's all transformed and become a site for tourists, wildlife, and you know, just everyday folk. Let me zoom in to show you what it really looks like. All right, so you see the houses there. Be a true wonder just to live up there. It looks unimaginable, you know, to do something like that, but there's people out there that do that. People out there that live on fish almost every day. They live on the animals they kill, you know, the wildlife they preserve to eat every single day. It's not like how it is in the city. MALAHAT Skywalk, definitely a good investment, a good experience. Check it out. I'll be back here probably next year. All right, time to go back down. Guad and coyotes sitting on the hills here at the bottom. I think they're coyotes.
ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਖਤਮ ਹੈ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹ ਜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਰਹੋ
Goodbye, MALAHAT Skywalk. Probably forever. Off to Victoria.